Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a video about Unit 4. We will learn some of the new vocab and also some grammatical rules. Our grammatical rules will be about the past simple and past continuous and how can we use both of the tenses together in one sentence using when or why. Shall we start? The first new vocab today is deficiency. 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 It is a lack of the nutrients that our bodies need. So here, the nutrients in his body is not enough. So he is suffering from deficiency, or she is suffering from deficiency. So vitamin deficiency causes health problems and malnutrition. Vitamin deficiency causes health problems and malnutrition. The second word is grilled. Grilled. Grilled means cooked over the fire in a grill, like this one and that one. I believe that grilled food is much healthier than fried food. Metabolism. Metabolism. Metabolism is the chemical processes by which food is changed into energy in your body. For example, exercise is supposed to speed up your metabolism. So, when you are doing exercise, you are changing the food into energy. Organic. Organic. Organic means produced without the use of chemical. So it is without any chemicals. This means that it is organic. Our food is organic. This means that our food has no chemicals. Of course, it's healthier. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. Pomegranate is a round fruit that has a red skin and juicy red seeds. This is the pomegranate fruit. Pomegranates are so beneficial. They fight cancer, they improve memory. RDA. RDA. The RDA are 3 letters. They are abbreviation to 3 words. Recommended daily allowance. So the RDA are the amount of different kinds of food that our bodies need every day. So every day the RDA of fruit is what? And of rice, of oil, of chicken, of bread. What we need or what we need every day is the RDA. Sodium. Sodium. Sodium is a chemical food in salt. A chemical food in salt. This is salt and it contains sodium. The recommended daily allowance for sodium is 2.3 grams per day. This means that it's allowed to have 2.3 grams per day of sodium. Supplement. Supplement. Supplement is a substance taken to add vitamins to a person's diet. The supplement can be natural, like fruit juice or fruits or vegetables. Also, the supplement can be some pills that you take. Doctors advise patients to eat vitamin supplements. Now, we will have our grammar rule. It's about the past simple and the past continuous tenses. And the grammar reference in our student's book on page 123 to 125. Starting with the past simple. The past simple is something that happened in the past. we can add ed form or the verb to make it past. For example, the verb walk, we add ed, so it is walked. I walked to school. This is a sentence in the past simple. And walk is a regular verb. For the irregular verbs, they don't follow this rule, like the verb catch. Catch is a regular verb. The past of catch is caught. We change all of the verb. She caught the bus to school. Also drank. Drank is an irregular verb and the past is drank. He drank 3 cups of coffee. Of course, in our books, there is a list of irregular verbs on page 148 to 150. For the past simple, when we put the sentence into negative, we change the verb, to the base form of the verb, preceded by didn't. So we use didn't plus the base form to make the negative statement. Here, I walked to school. The negative is I didn't walk to school. She caught the bus to school. The negative is she didn't catch the bus to school. He drank 3 cups of coffee. The negative is he didn't drink 3 cups of coffee. The past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used of the verb to be verb plus the verb plus ing. For example, my neighbors were chatting in the street. My neighbors, this is plural now. So it's followed by were chatting in the street. If it is a singular one, if it is my neighbor only, I will say my neighbor was chatting. But my neighbors were chatting. For the questions, what were you doing yesterday afternoon? The negative form of the past continuous is only to add not to was, so was is wasn't. Were is weren't. I wasn't watching TV. This is the negative, only by adding not to verb to be. The most important part in our rule is here. When we use the past continuous and the past simple in the same sentence, joining them using when or why. So, we use the past continuous for 2 actions. One of them takes short time and the other action continues for a long time. The action that has a short time will be in the past simple, but the action that will continue for a long time will be in the past continuous, using was or were plus the verb plus ing. Examples for this. Number 1, I will use here when. When I woke up, it was raining. When I woke up, this is the past simple. It was raining. This is the past continuous. So when, then the past simple, and at the end, the past continuous. Sometimes when is in the middle of the sentence. So when I woke up, all of it will be here at the end. And it was raining in the beginning. We put like X like this. So the new sentence will be, it was raining when I woke up. Another sentence. I saw an accident while I was walking to school. Here we used while, and while is followed by the past continuous. It's followed by was or were plus the verb plus ing. And the other verb is in the past simple. So it's the opposite of when. I saw an accident while I was walking to school. Maybe we start with while. So while I was walking to school, all of this will be here in the beginning. While I was walking to school, I saw an accident. Another example. The telephone rang while they were working. The telephone rang. This is the short action. It's only the telephone rang. It doesn't take any time. They were working. Working takes time. So it is in the past continuous. They is plural. Were is for plural. And the verb plus ing. The telephone rang while they were working. We begin with while. While they were working, the telephone rang. Another sentence. When the bell rang, the teachers were explaining the lesson. When, and here rang is the past simple, were explaining, this is the past continuous. When will be in the middle. So it will be the teachers were explaining the lessons when the bell rang. So to summarize, we have when and while. When, past simple, past continuous. Or past continuous, when, past simple. We can use while. So it will be while, past continuous, past simple. Or past continuous, while, past simple, while, past continuous. This is the lesson in our book. It's only a passage and we can fill in the passage while listening. And the most important is here to use when and while. Thank you so much for listening and goodbye.